So here's how to find and copy your Discord profile link on mobile app. First, you want to open Discord. Then once Discord is open, you want to click on your profile logo and then click on the settings button on the top right. And then scroll all the way down to advanced, which is right here. Click on advanced. And in this advanced settings, make sure the developer mode is enabled. So this one right here, make sure it's checked and enabled. Now you want to go back to the Discord homepage, so you can click on home. And then you want to go to a server or a DM or chat where you can see yourself. So for example, this server, go to welcome channel and then look at the members. Now click on your own profile and then click on the three dots and then click copy user ID. Now once you copy the user ID, and then you will simply need to go back and in the channel or notes you should type Discord app. So you want to type Discord app and then .com/user/users/ and then you want to paste the ID you just copied. So you want to press paste, and then you can copy and send this link to anyone. And once they type it in the browser, it should direct them to your to the Discord to send you a friend request, which is the link to your profile on Discord. And that's about it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.